Hi everyone and welcome to BIGLZ Investing, and in this video we're going to be looking at my high growth portfolio. Maybe not so high growth, but one day it will be. But before I get into that, I want to start by saying that this video is for entertainment purposes only, and please make sure to do your own due diligence prior to making any investment. Now that that's been said, let's get into the video. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio value at the moment is 7,114. This has only just started to go up because I was massively in the negative. I believe at one point this portfolio was about 3k down, and a lot of people think, was that hard to see? No, because I believe in the choices that I've picked. Currently I've only got 3 stocks in the portfolio for 2 reasons. I want to try and build out big positions in these stocks first, and then after that I'll get a couple more. But even after that I don't want to go any more than, let's say, about 7 stocks with the type of money that I'm putting in it right now. It makes no sense. I don't want to get 10, 15, 20 stocks when I only have 7,000 just for the sake of diversification. I believe the best way to do it is you find stocks that you really believe in, that you think you're going to get high growth from, and you just concentrate more capital inside of them. So that's the strategy that I have. So the first stock that I have in my portfolio is NEO, and I have 299 shares of them, equaling just over £5,000, which in dollars is probably about $7,000. So if we have a look at NEO, I first started buying it in, let's have a look, because I know I bought it before and then sold it, so yeah, that's in 2021. So I started buying it again in 20th of January 2022. So if we look at the chart, I'm not used to this desktop version as well. I always do it on my mobile app, so just bear with me. So 20th of January. So you're talking maybe about $23, around that thing. You won't go to the exact amount, but I'll probably say about 20. Yeah, about $23, $21. Anywhere from $20 to $21. I know my average right now, my average price for this stock is $21, I believe. See if it'll show you on this desktop version. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of this desktop version. Well, it's not a desktop version, it's an internet browser version. But yeah, my oh, it does it right here. My bad. $21.89 or £16.36. So yeah, I really do believe in NEO. I think NEO is going to be an absolutely massive company, and I just wanted to put a decent chunk of money in this because I think that NEO is the stock that's going to really propel my my capital in very quick fashion. Obviously, when the bull market resumes. So that's the reason why I put a lot of money into NEO. And then obviously when I got to the number of 5k, I thought, right, that's enough money now. Let me start to go into other stocks. So the stock I went into after that. Oh, and before I talk about that, if you think about it, if I've got NEO and I've got it at an average of $21.89, I need NEO to essentially get to $43, and I've doubled my money. So that will then be 10,000 just for NEO to 1x, which in my opinion is easy. I don't see why that shouldn't happen within the next 8 months. So the next stock I bought after that was Amazon, and the reason I bought Amazon was because Amazon is what I like to call my insurance policy. So I bought Amazon because, one, it was massively undervalued compared to what the company offers, and also it has that level of safety that is good to have in a portfolio. So I've got NEO as the high growth and the risky play, I would say, and then you got Amazon as a safe play. And again, I want to start off by saying I don't think that NEO is risky to me personally. Like, all the research that I've done and what the company is doing, I don't think it's a risk. However, in the eyes of some people, because it's not profitable yet, people would see it as being a risky stock. So I'm just referring to it as that, so a lot more people understand. Amazon is what I would consider to be a very safe stock. So that's what I call my insurance policy. So that is going to be the stock that if NEO did go bankrupt or NEO went nowhere, then Amazon would be there to just keep my portfolio up. So I didn't have to completely start from the beginning again. And as you can see, if we look on the history, I first bought this stock on the 29th of April 2022. That's when I started buying it, because I believe it was going down a lot and it was just absolutely ridiculous. I thought, right, this is the perfect time to diversify now. So then recently I just started a position in Block, and again the Block is, again, I would say medium to high growth. I think Block could offer the the 25 to 30% year over year returns, at least for the next 3 years. So I've got NEO, which is really high risk in the investing world. I've got Amazon, which is a safe option, and then I've got Block, which is in the middle, which makes it kind of like a really balanced portfolio. And I believe at some point I'm gonna get one dividend stock as well, because I think that'd be just nice to get in there. Maybe JP Morgan. So as you can see, I first bought Amazon on the 2nd of February, which is my birthday. I felt like I'd treat myself. And then towards the top here, so basically I did have about 350 shares of NEO, but then NEO started to go up a lot, and I was like 800 in profit. So I took some shares out of NEO to then recycle it and put it back into Amazon. So that's another thing that I like to do. I like to recycle. So if I see it do a big gain, I like to take the profits and put it into another stock that I think is gonna not got to where it should be yet. So I want to take advantage of that, and I'll put the money from one stock that's done done some growth and put it into another one. So yeah, that's about it really. It's just a quick update. If you want me to do these like on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, I will do that. Maybe I'll do it on a monthly basis, because that way you'll be able to see the bigger ups and downs. I think weekly, I think at this stage is not going to make a big difference. If you would also like me to video me buying stocks or adding further shares to these positions, just let me know. So thank you again for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll be back very soon. I want to try and be as active as possible on this channel, because I really like making videos, and I really like documenting my journey of seeing numbers like this to the multiple millions, and that's my plan. And I have every faith that I'm going to do that. So watch as I do it. I'll do it before your very eyes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.